Applying to Florida Southern is very simple and easy, and I'll be giving you some tips and resources on how to submit your application to Florida Southern. To start off, it is going to be free to apply to Florida Southern with whichever platform you decide to use. So whether you're applying on the Common app, the Coalition app, or on our website, it's always going to be free for you to apply to Florida Southern. In order to have a completed application, we will require you to submit your high school transcripts and a personal statement. At this time, we are not requiring you to submit your test scores. We are test optional, so we don't require you to submit your SAT or your ACT scores. And we're also not requiring you to submit a letter of recommendation at this time. In order to complete your application, that's what you'll need, but you don't need all of those materials in order to hit submit on your application. So we'll just need you to submit your base application first, and then as soon as you get those materials, you'll be able to submit them as you get them. November 1st is our early action deadline, meaning if you do apply before November 1st, you'll get your decision by December 15th. So definitely the earlier you apply, the earlier you get a decision from us.